హాయ్ అండి, నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఎట్ రేట్ 1. ఇవాళ వీడియోలో ఆర్ఆర్బి ఎన్టీపీసీ సంబంధించి జనరల్ అవేర్నెస్కి సంబంధించి కొన్ని బిట్స్ షేర్ చేస్తాను. ఫ్రీక్వెంట్లీ ఆస్క్డ్ బిట్స్ అనమాట. సో వీడియోని అయితే స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. అందులో ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి, విచ్ ట్రీటీ సైన్డ్ ఇన్ 2023 ఎయిమ్స్ టు reduce global carbon emissions by 50% by 2030. The options: A. Paris Agreement, B. Kyoto Protocol, C. Glasgow Climate Pact, D. Green New Deal. And the correct answer is option C. Glasgow Climate Pact. And the second one, which athlete holds the record for the fastest 100 meters in the history of the Olympics? The given options: A. Usain Bolt, B. Carl Lewis, C. Justin Gatlin, option D. Jesse Owens. And the correct answer is A. Usain Bolt. What form of Indian classical dance is primarily performed by women and is known for its intricate footwork and expressive hand gestures? Given options are A. Kathak, B. Bharatanatyam, C. Odissi, D. Kuchipudi. And the right answer B. Bharatanatyam. Who authored the acclaimed novel Train to Pakistan, which deals with the partition of India? Given options: A. Khushwant Singh, B. Salman Rushdie, C. Vikram Seth, and option D. Arundhati Roy. The correct answer is A. Khushwant Singh. Which UNESCO World Heritage Site is known as the Sun Temple and is famous for its chariot-like structure? Given options: A. Konark, B. Khajuraho, C. Hampi, and D. Ajanta Caves. The correct answer A. Konark. Which movement led by Mahatma Gandhi in 1930 aimed to oppose the British salt tax? Given options: A. Non-cooperation movement, option B. Civil disobedience movement, option C. Quit India movement, and option D. Khilafat movement. The correct answer B. Civil disobedience movement. Who was the first woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress? Given options: A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Annie Besant, C. Indira Gandhi, and D. Sucheta Kriplani. The correct answer B. Annie Besant. What is the largest river in India by discharge volume? Given options: A. Ganga, B. Brahmaputra, C. Yamuna, D. Godavari. And the correct answer is B. Brahmaputra. What is the primary purpose of the 73rd Amendment to the Indian Constitution? Given options: to establish a two-tier system of governance, to enhance women's representation in local bodies, to empower Panchayati Raj institutions, to abolish feudalism. And the correct answer is C. To empower Panchayati Raj institutions. Which of the following is a significant initiative under the Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center (IN Space)? Given options: A. Chandrayaan 2, option B. Gaganyaan, option C. Mars Orbiter Mission, and option D. SpaceX Collaboration. And the correct answer is option B. Gaganyaan. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే తప్పకుండా లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేసి ఛానల్ అయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని పక్కన బెల్ బటన్ ప్రెస్ చేసి ప్లీజ్ సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.